Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm thrilled you're here today because we're diving into a kitchen game changer that'll make your meals crispy, quick, and healthy, the Ninja Air Fryer. If you're fed up with greasy deep frying or ovens that take forever to cook, this air fryer is your ticket to delicious food with less oil and hassle. Picture popping in wings, fries, or even veggies for 2 dishes at once, all coming out golden and tasty, perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving fast, guilt-free eats. No more messy oil splatters or long waits. This Ninja makes cooking fun, speedy, and family-friendly. Stick around because by the end, you'll see why the Ninja Air Fryer is a must for home cooks. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost and score the best deal on Amazon. Let's jump into the features of this frying superstar. The Ninja Air Fryer is a dual basket model with 2 4-quart baskets, so you can cook 2 different foods at once, up to 8 quarts total, great for 4 to 6 servings. It has 6 functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with a digital touchscreen for easy temperature and time settings. It uses 1690 watts, heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit fast, and each basket has a non-stick coating and crisper plate for even cooking. The outside is stainless steel with black accents, measuring 15.6 inches wide, 13.9 inches deep, 11.8 inches tall, and weighing 17.9 pounds, so it's sturdy but movable on counters. It comes with 2 baskets, 2 plates, and a recipe guide. It's got a 1-year warranty and runs on standard 120 volts. Priced around $180, it's a solid pick for its dual-zone power and versatility for daily meals. Now, the real deal, pros and cons after cooking everything from chicken to desserts. Pros first. Number 1, dual baskets let you cook 2 dishes at different settings without mixing flavors like fries and fish at once. Number 2, the 6 functions cover all your needs: frying, baking, even drying fruit. Number 3, it cooks fast and crispy with little to no oil, making meals healthier. Number 4, the non-stick baskets and plates clean up in a snap, dishwasher safe. Number 5, the digital controls are simple, even for beginners. Number 6, it's great for small to medium families with enough space for sides and mains. Number 7, the recipe guide sparks ideas to get started. Number 8, it's quiet compared to other fryers. Now, cons for balance: 1, the $180 price is mid-range, not budget. 2, it takes up counter space, so measure first. 3, no viewing window, so you open to check food. 4, the baskets are a bit heavy when full. 5, no preheat function, so you guess start times. 6, cord is short for some kitchens. 7, dehydrate mode takes hours for big batches. 8, no smart app control. Here's the truth: the pros make this a winner for most. If you cook for 3 to 6 people a few times a week and want versatile, healthy meals without oil, this fits perfectly. It's not for tiny kitchens or solo cooks on a tight budget, but for everyday variety, it's a big yes. My recommendation: get the Ninja Air Fryer today. It's a crispy, quick kitchen hero. Click the referral link in the description to grab it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your meals will level up. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen tips and click the link to support us. What's your go-to air fryer dish? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.